Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. Everybody been supporting my channel. I got a new net 30 that you can add on your business credit report. Listen to me clearly. You could apply for this and have it reporting on your business side within 24 to 48 hours after you are approved. This is the fastest net 30 I ever seen do something like this, and they've been really scaling their business over time. But again, people, this is a gold mine, especially if you're looking for some nice primary accounts you can add on that business side. This will be for you, right? So again, this is a net 30 BCC supplies, and you don't have to worry about no hard pull. You don't have to worry about that. No personal guarantee. These are all things people worry about. And for all those that just starting their business, shop now, pay later. This is a gold mine, because if you need supplies for your business, you can go ahead and do it, and you got at least 30 days until you have to repay it. Now, the most important thing of all this is the automatic credit growth, which you could get an increase every couple months with BCC supplies, which is really good. Fast approval, and right here, people, let's see. Application and get qualified for your net 30 trade account often within 24 to 48 hours, which is really good. And you go ahead and build that credit history. You know, a lot of time people have a LLC, C Corp, S Corp, but they have nothing on it. No trade lines, no net 30s, no gas cards, no nothing. So this is a good one. It's going to report to all three: Experian Business, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax Business. Now, you got three choices. You got the Core, you got the Plus, and you got the Ultra. Now, without me going through everything, as you can see the difference down here. Credit reporting by with your net 30 trade line. They got a lot of options. One-time setup fee of $20, 15 AI tokens worth $15, and a $5 coupon off your first order, right? Or you could go with the Plus, which is the most popular. And again, people, this is the difference. The higher starter credit limit. This is what you're going to be paying for. So whatever the basic is, you're going to get higher, and then you're going to get more, you know, AI tokens, and then you're going to get more benefits. And for the top tier, for the Ultra, which is $39.95 a month, you're going to get access. Let me highlight this real quick. Access to premier business funding platform, tailored credit verification, exclusive discounts, advertisement rates, 100 AI tokens worth $100, people, $10 off coupon on your first order, which is really good. So again, people, if you out there and you're trying to establish business credit, you need some nice trade lines to add on, and which BCC supplies. You got a lot of options. If you want to get office supplies, you could go ahead. They got a lot of options. Now, I will have to say the price on here that I did notice, I try to be fair, pros and cons. The prices on here to me is a little higher. My past couple clients I've been dealing with one-on-one had actually add these, and it actually works great. They had gave me a lot of positive feedback on it. So the price might be a little higher, but the thing is, people, you're gonna get your order in 30 days to pay that back, which is really good, So once you get that invoice, you're gonna get that 30 days, which can really help you, especially if you're a person starting off on a new business, home and gardening. They got so much different options, tools, parts, supplies. So, this might be for you, might not be for everybody, but whatever your business is, you might need something in here, and you can start building your business credit. I keep telling y'all that, people. And again, go over to my website, scroll right down. You got any questions, send me an email and give me a couple hours, and I'll get right back to you. Hit that store section on top. And again, that ultimate credit repair guide is back up. Go take advantage of it. And for all those, since we're talking about business guide to building wealth step by step, showing you how to scale your business from 0 to 100. So again, people, I want to see everybody win. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.